Guys, so yep, I'm gonna explain the article about Victorian period. The Victorian age, also known as the Victorian era, refers to the period of the British history that encompasses the range of Queen Victoria from 1837 to 91. This period is named after Queen Victoria, who ascended to the throne at the age of 18 and became the longest-reigning monarch in British history. The Victorian age is often regarded as the time of significant social, economic, and technological change in Britain, when social and cultural characteristics, morality, and values. The Victorian era was characterized by a strong emphasis on morality, strict social codes, and a sense of duty. The Victorian society placed great importance on a proper behavior, respectability, and family values. Class structure: Victorian society was highly stratified, with a clear distinction between the upper class, middle class, and the working class. The upper class enjoyed great wealth and privilege, while the working class faced challenging living and working conditions. Gender roles: Victorian society had rich gender roles, with separate spheres for a man and woman were expected to be the breather and participate in public life, while women were primarily responsible for domestic duties and raising children. Industrialization and urbanization: The Victorian era witnessed rapid industrialization and urbanization. This led to the growth and the rise of the middle class, and the expansion of industries such as manufacturing, mining, and textile. Moral reform movement: The Victorian era saw the rise of various moral reform movements, such as the temperance movement, advocating for alcohol abstinence, the women's suffrage movement, fighting for women's right to vote, and the abolition movement seeking to the end slavery. Number two is technological and scientific industrial revolution. The Victorian era was marked by the Industrial Revolution, which brought about significant technological advancement and transformed the economy. Steam power factories and mechanization revolutionized production process and led to urbanization. Railways: The Victorian era saw the rapid expansion of railways, enabling faster transportation of goods and people across the country. Railways play a crucial role in connecting cities, facilitating trade, and boosting industrial growth. Scientific progress: The Victorian era was a time of great scientific discoveries and advancement. Charles Darwin's theory of evolution, as outlined in his book on the origin of species, 1859, challenged traditional religious and smart debates. Communication and telegraph: The development of the telegraph and in the Victorian era revolution long-distance communication. The invention of the electric by Samuel Morse in the 1830 allowed for almost instant transmission of messages over long distances. 3. Literature and arts. Victorian literature: The Victorian era produced a rich body of literature, including the works of renowned authors such as Charles Dickens, Jane Austen, the Bronte sisters, Oscar Wilde, and Thomas Hardy. Victorian literature often explored social issues, morality, and the impact of industrialization on society. Gothic and Realist novel. The Victorian era witnessed with the popularity of both Gothic novels, characteristic by mystery and horror, as well as Rails novels that aimed to depict society as it was, often addressing social problems and injustice. The Pre-Republic Brotherhood The Pre-Republic Brotherhood was a group and of artists who sought to return to detailed, vibrant, and symbolic arts inspired by medieval and early Renaissance styles. Artists such as Dante Gabriel Rossetti and John Everett Malay were associated with this movement. Colonial expansion and imperialism. British Empire. The Victorian era was marked by the age of the British Empire, with Britain exerting significant influence by control over numerous territories across the globe. The empire expanded through colonization, leading to the acquisition and thank you. So yep, that's all my explanation about article Victorian period. Bye bye.